Welcome students on online class for subject physics. Today we have to learn the chapter number 15, structure of atoms and nuclei. Before seeing that, we can study the Lemon series and Balmer series as a detail, their longest wavelength, their shortest wavelength. Today we have seen the third series, that is Paschen series. First, a question will be asked, what is Paschen series? Means a series which arises the transition of electron from different outer orbit to third inner orbit. Means for Paschen series, inner orbit P is equal to 3 and outer orbit N is equal to 4, 5, 6 ... A question also asks, find the wavelength of first three lines in Paschen series. For first line, take N equal to 4. For second line, take N equal to 5. For third line, take N equal to 6. And inner orbit P equal to 3. So today we have seen the first line, wavelength of first line in Paschen series. Using Bohr's formula, 1 upon lambda is equal to R in bracket 1 upon m square minus 1 upon p square. 1 upon p square minus 1 upon n square. If we substitute the value of p and substitute the value of n, so here 1 upon lambda Paschen 1. Paschen 1 means longest wavelength is equal to R in bracket 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 16. Make a cross multiplication. It will be R in bracket 16 minus 9 upon 16 into 9. So it will be 1 upon lambda Paschen 1 is equal to 7R upon 144. If we take reciprocal, then wavelength of first line in Paschen series or longest wavelength of Paschen series will be 144 upon 7R. We know that R is Rydberg constant having value 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 meter raised to minus 1. If we substitute the value of R, then we write as wavelength for Paschen series of first line, it will be 144 upon 7 into 1.097 into 10 raised to 7. If 10 raised to 7 is taken as in numerator, then we want to see that then it will be 144 upon 7 multiplied by 7, 49. 4 will be remaining. 7 multiplied by 9, it will be 63. And 4, 67. So here 6 and 7 1 the 7 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. If we take its log, then we can find out. See here, log of 144, that is 2 point. Log of 7 point, that is 0 point. Subtraction. If we take log, that will be 14 in 4, that will be 15,1584. And if we take log of 76 in 7, 9 is in mean difference, then here log will be 8838. So if we can subtract from 14, 8 will be subtract, 6 is remaining. From 8, 4 will be subtract, 4 is remaining. From 15, 8 will be subtract, 7 will be remaining. From 11, 9 will be subtract, 2 will be remaining, and 1 will be subtract. From 2, it will be 1. If we take its antilog, so antilog of 0.27 in 4 in 6, that will be 1.882 into 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. If we can replace 10 or we can multiply 10, then the point will be shifted here. It will be 18.82 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. It will be, when point is shifted up to 3 digits, so it will be 18,820 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So longest wavelength of Paschen series, it will be longest wavelength Paschen series. It will be 18820, means 18,820 angstrom unit. Similarly, if we want to find its shortest wavelength, so we know that Paschen series is the third series. So shortest wavelength, if we can find out P equal to 3 and N is equal to infinity, we know that 1 upon infinity square, that is 0. So here wavelength of Paschen series, shortest wavelength of Paschen series, it will be R in bracket 1 upon 9 will be R upon 9, and so that shortest wavelength lambda Paschen is equal to 9 upon R. If we can substitute the value of R, that is Rydberg constant, is 1.097. So shortest wavelength for Paschen series will be 9 upon 1.097 into 10 raised to 7. If 10 raised to 7 is shifted numerator, then 9 into reciprocal of 1.09 and 7 is in mean difference. So mean difference will be subtracted. It will be 0.9146 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. If we can multiply 9, 6 the 54, 5 is remaining, 9, 4 the 36. So 41 is there, 4 is remaining, 9, 1 the 9, 4 is adding, so 30, 1 will be remaining, and 9, 9, 81, that is 82, means 8.2314 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. Means if we shifted the decimal point 3 digits, then 8231.4 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So shortest wavelength for Paschen series, it will be 8231.4 angstrom unit. Means the series lies in between 18,820 angstrom unit to 8,231.4 angstrom unit. This series or this spectrum is in the region of infrared. Infrared region. That is the Paschen series. So remaining two series will be there. One is bracket series and another is Pfund series. So here we can find out longest wavelength and shortest wavelength for bracket series as well as Pfund series. So here it is bracket series. and here Ferns series. In this Ferns series, P is taken as silence. PE will be silence. So that is Ferns series. So first arise a question, that is, what is meant by bracket series? A series which is obtained when transition of electron from different orbit to fourth inner orbit, means P equal to 4 and N is equal to 5, 6, 7 dot dot dot. The series is called as bracket series, whereas the series will arise due to transition of electron from different orbit to fifth inner orbit, means P equal to 5, N is equal to 6, 7, 8 dot dot dot. Such series is called as Ferns series. So first of all, we want to find longest wavelength in bracket series. So longest wavelength, by solving using the Bohr's formula, the longest wavelength, it will be 400 upon 9R. 400 upon 9R, whereas longest wavelength in Ferns series, it will be 900 upon 11R. If we can substitute the value of R in both series, then the longest wavelength, it will occur as 40,720 angstrom unit, whereas longest wavelength in Ferns series, it will be occur as 74,870 angstrom unit. Similarly, for shortest wavelength, take for bracket series, take P equal to 4, N equal to infinity, and for Ferns series, take P equal to 5 and N is equal to infinity. Then shortest wavelength, lambda bracket is equal to 4th series, that is 16 upon R. And here similarly, shortest wavelength for Ferns series, that will be lambda Ferns is equal to, Ferns series will be 5th series, so it is 25 upon R. If we can substitute the value of R, then we can get values. That will be shortest wavelength for bracket series will be 14,633 angstrom unit, and shortest wavelength for Ferns series, it will be 22,865 angstrom unit. So here the series lies in between 40,720 angstrom unit and 14,633 angstrom unit. That series will be bracket series. This is near infrared region. This series will arise in near infrared region, whereas in Ferns series, longest wavelength will be 74,870 angstrom unit, shortest wavelength will be 22,865 angstrom unit, lies in far infrared region. Near infrared region and far infrared region, the two series will be seen.